Today, I'm revealing 10 beauty items I'm ditching for good. And trust me, one of them actually made my skin worse. Stick around till the end, because chances are you're using at least one of these right now, without realizing it's draining your money and damaging your skin. I fell for the hype, but most beauty products don't work. They just sell well. Let's break this down. I've grouped these products into 3 categories to make things super simple: skincare, makeup, and tools or trends. Let's start with the most overhyped skincare products. First up, toners. Most of them, just fancy scented water. Rose water or green tea does the same thing at a fraction of the cost. Second, sheet masks. They feel fun and luxurious, but they're expensive and super wasteful. I replaced them with DIY honey and aloe masks, and my skin actually got better. Third, collagen creams. Sorry, but topical collagen doesn't absorb into the skin. Your money's better spent on food that boosts collagen naturally, like berries or nuts. Now let's move to makeup mistakes I regret deeply. Fourth, designer lipsticks, the expensive ones. Exact same formula as the affordable ones, just a fancier logo. Fifth, eye creams. This shocked me. Most are just regular moisturizers in smaller tubes. Same ingredients, higher price. Sixth, setting sprays. Honestly, just aloe or glycerin mist with a scent. You can DIY this at home for a tiny fraction of the price. We're not done yet. These next 4 hurt even more because they felt like must-haves. Seventh, face scrubs with beads. They destroyed my skin barrier. Gentle exfoliants or enzyme masks are safer. Eighth, shimmer body oils. Look amazing for 5 minutes, then vanish. Coconut oil plus highlighter equals the same glow. Ninth, silicone primers. They clogged my pores and my makeup didn't even last longer. Now I just use a light moisturizer. 10th, trendy serums with 0 actives. I was drawn in by the cute bottles and colors, but they did nothing. No ingredients means no results. At one point, I realized I had 4 products doing the same thing. One was labeled a hydrating booster, one was a dew enhancer, and the others were just overpriced moisturizers. That's when it hit me. This industry thrives on confusion. So here's the simple mantra I follow now, and you should too. Function over fame, science over scent, value over viral. You don't need 20 products to look amazing. You just need the right 5 or 6. Now I want to hear from you. Which product are you ditching next? Drop it in the comments below.